Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Elle. So I finally have with me my zerobaseone albums, first mini album, Youth in the Shade. I have a set, so I do have both versions, and I did pre-order these from Makestar, so I also got like the cat ear pre-order benefits. So let me go ahead and unwrap these so we can get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the white version first. I know both of these have names, but I'm just like really bad with version names, so I'm just gonna say this is the white one and then the other one's the black version. So this is what the packaging looks like, and let me take out the wrapper. Okay, so this is what the album looks like, Youth in the Shade. And then you can take this off. Oh, the inclusions are going to say, oh, this is really pretty. And then the inclusions are like right here, so let me just get them out. I don't want to see anything. Okay. There we are. Inclusions have been taken out, and let me go ahead and start flipping through the photo book. I feel like I've said this, I don't even know how many times at this point during my videos, but I don't really like watching any unboxings. Oh, this is pretty. Of something that I haven't gotten yet. So I haven't watched like a full unboxing of this album. I have seen some of like the pre-order benefits, obviously, and like templates for photo cards and inclusions, but not like a full flip through of the photo books. Oh my god. Honestly, I feel like I'm having quite a hard time deciding who my bias is for zb1. So I'm having like a hard time picking a bias, as most of my polls actually made it into like the final lineup and zb1, so that was like super exciting as someone who watched Boys Planet. You know, it was like super crazy to see almost everyone that I was like, oh, they're gonna make it, to actually make it. So like, that's amazing. But I guess my current bias line would be Matthew, who's right here. He was one of the people that I voted for almost up until finals. And then I guess my other bias and my bias line would be Jung. And then last on my bias line, because I'm trying to keep it till 3 for now, is Hanmin, who is now the official leader of zb1, and that's super, super exciting. Yeah. I mean, look at him. Ricky's so beautiful. Like, I remember honestly being shocked. He was one of my picks to make it into the final lineup, but he was one of those members where I was like, I don't care if he's like 8th or 9th, as long as he makes it. And then he plays 4th, so that's insane. And then also Cupin, I recently discovered that we share a birthday, so happy birthday to him and to me. I am a few years older than him though, but we do have the same birthday, so birthday twins, and he is a Virgo, so that's cool. Kono, honestly, the other person that I was like, he's super good, I would love for him to debut, but he wasn't like one of my, I guess he wasn't like my one pick per se, so I was like unsure he was gonna be able to make it, and then he made it. And lastly, the magnet of the group. These are really pretty. I feel like I've never seen these in an album personally, and it goes well with like the page with the lyrics, so that's pretty cute. And then I'm guessing we get like, oh no, we just get like a different concept. Hanbin. Wow. Honestly, I'm so gagged. He won the whole show. So deserved. Everyone who's in this group like truly deserved a spot, and I've seen some weird discourse online of people saying that, oh, this person shouldn't have debuted, or this person should have made it into the lineup, whatever. And it's like, you know, obviously everyone works super hard, and it sucks that, you know, like not everyone can make it, but that's also why it's like a set number of spots within a group. Okay, so this was the photo book, and let me get out the inclusions. As for the inclusions, I'm not like super sure everything that's supposed to come with this album. We do have like a mini poster, which is nice. I also feel like if you like posters on like the smaller side, this would be like a perfect size because it's not like huge like some other groups. And then everything comes in this little baggie, so let me open it. I believe I've seen, yeah, you don't have to rip it. So let's take everything out carefully. Oh, there we go. And then it actually says the name of the group here, and the name of the album, and I guess the members, but you can barely like see it. Okay, so we have this like little standy postcard thing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, Wow. Okay, can I take this out? Yes. So this is like the little frame, and it has the member name, and you get this like mini postcard. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Yay. And have her first pull, and then we have this, which I think are just stickers, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so these are just some stickers, and it comes in like a little baggie. This little sticker at the back, which is really cute. Okay, we have the CD using the shade, the track list. Let me get the, oh, this is pretty, like the inside. Wow, that's cute. Youth in the shade. Oh. Okay, and then moving along, we have this. I kind of like that the inclusions don't have names in the box, so you're not like spoiled about it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, Eugene! This is cute. Wait. Aw, so cute. My baby. That's my child right there. I will protect him from like weird people on the internet. This is cute. Okay. And then we have a coaster. Oh! Oh my god. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Not super sure how. I guess this is this way. But we got Gonuk's coaster, which, you know, I'm not really ever going to use. I'm going to keep it as a collectible. And then last but not least, 1, 2, 3. We got Gonuk! Oh, look at him. So cute. And then we do have his little signature in the back. And then I think it says like zeros, let's meet often or something around those lines. I'm not like the best at Korean, but this is my pulls for the white version of the album, and let me move on to the next version. And now this is the black version. So this is what it looks like. Let me take off the wrapper to this and we'll get started. So this is what the album looks like. Youth in the Shade. The back, and then this does have like a film to it. And then this is a picture, and if there's like heat to it, you're able to like reveal it. So let me see if that'll work. Okay, you can kind of see the picture now, right? Yeah, it's like developing. Okay, let me get out my inclusions, okay, so we don't see anything. And let's get right into the photo book. So this is the other concept, like the more darker concept. I personally like lighter outdoorsy concepts, so I think personally the white version is my favorite, but I know a lot of people also liked this version of the album. I mean, everyone looks really good regardless, so. Oh, Matthew. Oh, we got two version photos. Oh, never mind. There we go. Giving. And our magnet of the group. Okay, they're also doing this like type of paper, but it's different now because these are the ones with the lyrics this time around, so that's kind of cute. Oh, look at him. So cute. This is cute as well. I guess I kind of like how they incorporated that type of paper in different ways for like both of the different versions. Usually I feel like K-pop groups do like one album and then their concepts are like two completely different concepts, so I feel like that's what they're going for here because they're definitely very different from one another. Oh, we're getting some units. Handing. Cute. Today. Ricky. Oh, this is pretty. I apologize if you hear a lot of noise sometime during this video. For some reason my neighbors just decided to be like extra loud today, so yeah, sorry in advance. Youth in the Shade, so cute. Oh, and then we get one last like group picture. Credits, and then the last let me go ahead and get the inclusions for this version. So for this album, similarly to the last version, you get a mini poster, but this time it's like a glossy material, and it's obviously this concept, and it's like a vertical instead of like a horizontal picture. Do you want to be the one that's cute? And then similarly, you get this little baggie with all the inclusions. So let me open it up. Let's get everything out of here. And then this baggie is also a bit different. I feel like you could see the name and the member names a bit better in this one than versus the other version. So we got the little standee postcard. 1, 2, 3. We got Matthew! Oh my god! With the dog! Oh my god! Look, that's so cute! And then it has the name on the back, so Matthew. Oh my god! Yay! First line pull. And then we have, I believe these are just going to be like the same type of stickers. Yes, these are like a blue instead of like the white and light gray type for the other version. Oh my god, Matthew, that's so cute. And then we have the CD, Youth in the Shade. Cute. Okay, moving along. We have the coaster, which is, oh, it's Cuban. Oh my god. So this is his little coaster. I don't really collect any of like these type of like more random inclusions, but I think that's pretty cute. And then we have the other like transparent, what would you call this, like a photo card, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Did it! Oh my god! Wow! Okay, so we got the besties, Teddy and Matthew. That's very cute. And then, last but not least, I don't want to see the signature. 1, 2, 3. We got two! Oh my god! Bless this man. He's so pretty. This is so exciting. Oh my god, my first Jung pull, manifesting more Jungs in the future for myself. Okay, cool. So these are my pulls for the black version of zb1, Youth in the Shade, and let me show you guys my pre-order benefit pulls for the makestar albums. And now lastly, but certainly not least, I have my makestar pre-order benefits. So these came right side up, packed up with the albums. So I do know who the photo card down here is, which is kind of exciting, but I don't know who the top photo card is going to be. But let's go. 1, 2. Well, actually, I'm gonna show you the top one, the bottom one, because I already know who it is. 1, 2, 3. We got Cuban. Look at him. So cute. Look at him. He's so cute with his cat ears. Oh my god. And then this is the back. And now 1, 2, 3. I was about to say, like, he did not come home at all for this unboxing, but he did. So I did somehow manage to pull a bias line for something within the albums. Oh my god, this is so exciting! I'm grateful I got his card, because I know, like, these, specifically, like, these makestar cards are going for, like, a lot more than what they were originally sold for, because you would get one, you know, at random when you bought an album. So I'm just grateful I got to pull his cat ear card. So this was my unboxing of Zerobaseone or zb1's first mini album, Youth in the Shade. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!